I found you using Google. I searched for Black-owned businesses, and you were one of the first locksmiths that showed up. There were a few other locksmiths in the area, and I was definitely wanting something in my community as well as Black-owned. I think that's important to support our own. And so you popped up, you had very good ratings, but the reason why I selected you is I noticed that all of your ratings were very, very positive.
Cheap with on this one. Hey. He hating on me. Handle it. You know, I come out here, man, I say today, man, you know what I mean? He saves me, you know, sometimes, yeah, this head ain't big for nothing, you know what I mean? There's a lot of brain up in here, you know? And so that's what we had to do. We work as a team. You know, we move as a unit. You know, one part can't be without the other. And this is how we do it. Get this installed. We got a couple of jobs in our hands. We gotta catch this. Your boy George called in. Jamie called in. Really? What George say? We got a Ford and we got a Chrysler. So my customer, she wants something really secure, so we're gonna get her something secure.
However, you didn't have the same number of ratings, which let me know that you were probably new to the area or just starting up, and I wanted to lend my support.
Something that she can sleep at night with. This, we need 2 knob locks. It has to be, you make sure they're the same finish though, right? We up in Home Depot. Had to pick up the locks for the customer, which is very, very interesting. We grabbed the quick set. We got some dark bronze color. Hope she likes it. Then from there, I'm gonna go to the house and go ahead and get that taken care of. People ain't used to that mic. They're like, what's going on? You got that mic on. Like, you get around our people, boy. Mics don't mean good things, so I ain't the Fed, y'all. Just let y'all know. I like the lockouts too. That. I'm gonna keep that, I'm gonna rekeep it. We want to do, we start up there, make our way back towards here, start back here, make our way up there. So I'm gonna take these off so we can get to us. Also, we have to deal with the back and forth. You know, you come out, you rekey out. When you're dealing with keys and things of that nature, you know, people, sometimes people, they treat their keys like they treat everything else. So if you got people that don't really respect their stuff,
nigga just got cheating.
YG got his own little show going on over there.
He did. I'm the man.
I come over here, you know, do my cameo appearance.
Can I play myself?
Why? No, not necessarily. Just put the tail piece of the door in there and twist it. Oh, it's on the other end. Out with the old and with the new. That's why they gave me a hard time. I didn't even have to do it. I didn't even have to unscrew it. These. Man, the style was okay. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of don't like it, but I do. Once you figure it out, then it makes sense to you. So now, something on here. So at this point, as long as it stays like that, it should be.
Let me say something.
I did a job one day for a lady. She said that the doorknob fell off. I'm like, the doorknob fell off? What the heck? So I went over there and checked it out. Sure enough, it's a plastic burner. When I leave, I want the lock to be, as soon as you close that door, I want that joint to be secure. I don't want there to be no gap. You got a little gap and you can get in a little bit. Yes, sir, action. Let's see if I need to adjust this probably. Lisa. I know they can do that. That's why they put that there. They hold it up, man. Looking to get in the house, that's the key. Yeah. That's what she wants. She wants secure. So nobody like that. She should go by the limit. See the push? You close it. Let's see how you
Can I put this on first, or will you put it in now?
No, right, you good. I mean, everything will be adjusting the plate.
Took one for that door. It's not gonna work. It's too long. Entirely too long.
You sure?
Just check. That's what I went outside for while you was out there.
I might just see if I can order the plate. Put a plate on it, cut it. Put it on there.
I'm gonna do that now before I put this on. It has to come back off. Noise, real noise. Yeah.
You just locked it from that way and then screwed the lock on. So that was angled. So I can do that wrong way angle. Nothing's ever pretty, man. You know, sometimes when you're dealing with older homes and try to keep the cost down for the customer, you gotta compensate and to make things right. But ultimately, I'm satisfied with the job. She's satisfied as well. The door is real secure. There's no movement in the door. Even once the deadbolt is off, it's really important when you're dealing with doors. When you close them, you don't want them to have a little bit of play. When you got play in the door, somebody can easily move something in and break into your door. But with this, no movement, none whatsoever. And then on top of that, put the deadbolt in smooth. So as we were saying, a situation like that, when the door goes up smooth, anything works correctly. Ew! That's what we do. Before we be hurt.
At that point, I really just transitioned into hatch. I lost one for shoes and James. Let me see this lock one at a time.
As a kid, that was when I was really young.
I already rekeyed all of them, by the way.
I had looked at other videos online and saw, you know, what people were saying about you, and I felt real good about it, got a positive energy, and so I called.
Can't say it no better than that. And this is the main reason why I do this. I'm gonna talk to the customers and you see us working, because when we do come to your house and we enter your homes, I want you to feel like you already know us. Because, you know, there's no holds barred. If me and my son, we're talking, if we're laughing, we're joking, this is what you see. And when we get here, it's consistent. We don't change up. So, Atlanta, Lithonia, Decatur, Atlanta Metroplex, the Lockout Man is here, and we need your support to make this business grow. Our intention is to be in everybody's household. I want to be a household name, not just for my sake, for your sake. You know, I treat your stuff like it's my own. If I come into your house, I treat it like it's mine. My sons, when they come in, they're very respectable, well-mannered, no profanity, and things of that nature. So if you don't believe me, ask this young lady, and she'll speak on that. And
Definitely fast, professional service, and an excellent job done.
Thank you so much.
But I want different color for the regular color.
Okay, so you got the choice. As long as it says like right here, this is. In the process, I met some good people. Networked with a guy named Albert. Another young lady, she's doing some work to her home, so hopefully I can be of assistance. But if anything, I networked, met some people. A lot more people know about the Lockout Man, 2 more than knew about me in the beginning.
Because I got some stuff that I need. The basement door, I need that lock change.
And we on our way. So this is what it's about, networking. This lady called me up to the cash register, so we're gonna go take care of that too.
My husband, I'm going to call him because I'm going to need you.
Oh man, nothing's routine, but it gets done. Check on YG up in here. What's going on, YG? How you looking? I should keep the strike before. This dude in here look like it's Monday in a pop quiz in math class or something. He in here just I don't know what to do.
I feel like I got 3 of them right.
You didn't use the what's the name?
The wave keys?
No, man. The key tester. You can put the key in there, tell you to cut to the key.
Man, I was testing you.
Up in here. Don't matter who's older, who's younger. We all learn from each other. You know, he teaches me things that I don't know, and vice versa. You know, so it ain't pretty. You know, sometimes we get upset with each other because we got in the job. We trying to get things done. But at the end of the day, we all pull it together. We pull it together, and it gets done. The job gets done.
For any services lock related, call someone who can, the Lockout Man.